I-SIU ithi uphenyo lwayo mayelana nokuqashwa kwenkampani Digital Vibes umnyango wezempilo selithole ubufakazi obuveza obala izenzo zenkohlakalo ezithinta le nkampani. I-SIU ithi isenzo sokuqala simayelana nokuqashwa kwe-Digital Vibes ngonyaka ka-2019 ukwenza umsebenzi wezokuxhumana mayelana nohlelo i-National Health Insurance. Iqhubeka ithi isigameko sesibili senzeka ngonyaka odlule lapho le nkampani yaqashwa umnyango ukuthi yenze umkhankaso wokuqwashisa ngegciwane i-COVID-19 ngaphandle komqhudelwano nezinye izinkampani futhi ngaphandle kokulandelwa kwemigudu efanele.
If we find that there is criminality that was committed, we will then send that to the NPA and make follow-up so that that matter can be dealt with as speedily as possible. And then on our side, we also going to send some of the referrals to the Department of Health for the officials to be disciplined for whatever they need to be disciplined for, that we would find at the end of this investigation. From our side, we will then go back to the special tribunal and make sure that we cancel this contract.
I-Digital Vibes kuthiwa yakhokhelwa R150 ezigidi zamarandi umnyango wezempilo, kodwa i-SIU ithi ithole izigidi ezingama-22 kuphela amarandi ebhange lale nkampani.
Obviously, some of the money has already been used to buy other things, and we will get to that when we deal with this matter at a later stage. But we will make sure that each and every money, whether it has been given to the third or the fourth person, will follow the money and make sure that we see where the money has gone to and what it went to that person for.
Udokotela uZweli Mkhize wamiswa emsebenzini ngumongameli uRamaphosa ekuqaleni kwalenyanga kuze kuphothulwe uphenyo lwe-SIU ngalolu daba. Nakuba zingekho izinsolo abekwe zona kuze kube manje, abahlaziyi bathi angase azithole esobishini.
It may be, the death knell in his future if it is found that the movement of money involved himself or any person related to him.
I-SIU ithi isizoliphothula uphenyo bese yethula umbiko kumongameli ngesonto elizayo. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC, eGoli.